Okay, so we were doing review. So we looked at type. What is the type of the various data types there, or the variables that we have? We said there is string, which are like if you look at my name, it consists of characters, Bob, Afuata, like that, grade, and I corrected that in Python, everything is treated as a string. Then integers are positive or negative whole numbers. And then float is negative, positive or negative fractions or decimal point numbers. And then the Boolean are true or false. And if you want to know the type, you just type print type into bracket grade. Are you together, guys?
Yes.
Okay. We are still doing review. There is no hurry. I want us to understand Python very well. So no hurry. So do you remember how to print on the screen? So here, guys, I hope you will be typing along with me. You can or type on top of this file that I shared. Do you know how to format output? Format the output. Okay. We learned 3 ways to do it, but we are going to stick with one. Print. And how do we do it? Using the F string.
You print F.
You say F there. Then you type something here like my name is. Then how do we put the name? Grace, can you remember how to put the name?
Underscore.
It's called curly brackets. Curly brackets. This.
Brackets.
Yes, you remember that?
Yeah.
My name is, and then you say my name inside that bracket. Okay? My name is, you say like that. And I am that, my age. Okay? Put my age. Yes. Old. Okay? My name is, then you say my name. So it will come and look for my name. Do you see the name here? Guys, can you see that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it will come and look for my name here and replace it there. And then also my age also, which is here. And then it will print it. My age is, and I am that years old. You can go on and add a weight and all that. Okay, so you do that. And then you come here. I showed you a shortcut. How can we write it? How can we type quickly? You use the up key, the page up. So near the home, on your right hand side, there is a key which is called PG up. PG up, you click on it, it will show you what you typed last. Can you remember that? Can you remember that trick? And then you press enter. So it will still ask you that. And then you say, my name is Bob, and I am the age that you put, 24 years old. Can you remember that?
Yes.
Yes. So this is how to format. We also learned other ways, but I want us to stick to this because it is easier for me, or it's easier. There is also the other one, for the sake of grace, we can also say print. Then you say, my name is, then you put like this, and then you put 0. My name is Bob, and I am, then you put like that, 1 years old. Then instead of doing this, instead of using, this is F string. F string, you only remember this F, which is here. You only remember this F. Can you remember, guys? Can you see?
Yeah.
You only remember that you have to put this F. But this other one, this second type is called format. You may get it. So how do you do it? You just say dot. After this quotation marks, you say dot format. Then you put into bracket. What do you want to print? In the, you see 0. You start with 0. You start from 0 here. Like from here, we want to start from 0. What do we want to print? My name. Can you see that? And then the next thing here is my age. You see that? This is a fast way. This is a simple way of doing it. You can also do it like this. There are also other ways. So, Grace, which one do you think is easy?
Either of the two.
Either of the two. The others thought this one was easy. Yeah. So you remember to print something using that. I would prefer you just stick to this one for now. Okay. So why was I telling you all this? Because remember the first thing that we did, the first number we said is input. And input, you see this first number. Can you see this first number?
Yeah.
The one which you are getting here. How do we get its type? Moses, how do we get its type?
Type.
You say type into bracket.
Bracket the type.
Yeah, the first number like that. Isn't it?
Yes.
This is how to get its
The type. To know the type.
Yes. So let's run it and you'll see. What is it telling you? Enter the first number 34. No, it has not been saved.
It has not been saved.
What is the type? What is the type?
It's a class string.
It is
a string.
Okay.
String.
It is a string. Okay. So you cannot, I know maths will tell you, but can you add a number like A plus A? Does it make sense in terms of maths? Eh?
No.
Like, of course, people who are crazy physics or other people will know this is possible, but in logic, you can only add or subtract numbers, isn't it? So what we need to do is, or what you need to understand is, the computer is receiving this first number as a string. Okay. What we are getting here is a string. So to convert, this is how you do them. If to convert a string to integer, and integer we said is a positive or negative whole number. You say int into bracket what you want to convert. Sawa. Can you see that? Can you see that? You say int into bracket like that. So here, if you want to convert this first number into an integer, how do we do it? We say int before the word input. We say int into bracket the whole of that. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. So you are going to convert the whole of this. What you receive from the input, which is 24 or 30, and then you convert it into an integer. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes. Can we run it again so that you see what is the type after we have written our nice word integer there? So after we have done that, you do that. Then when you do 34, can you see the type now?
Yeah. It's now an integer.
It's now an integer. So integers are the numbers, positive or negative whole numbers. And that way you can add them. Okay?
Mm.
So the first thing that we are going to do, I already showed you how to do this, the meaning of this, so I can comment it out. And I told you comment, you just put this hashtag. And guys, it's very easy now. You just copy this, Control C. And I hope you guys also are typing along. You see, first number, and then you say second number. The first number is enter the first number, then second number, enter the second number. Enter the first number. You can type on top of the file I shared with you. You just open the file I shared with you in a VS Code. Or for Grace, you just open it and then you copy and paste it where you were typing the code. And then you continue. So, second number, you say int, enter the second number. And then the sum of the numbers, sum underscore numbers. The sum, how do we get sum, Grace? First number plus second number.
Second.
Yes, you want to add the numbers together. Addition, adding, what is the sum of the two numbers? It's just adding. You use the plus sign. First number plus second number. And then we print. What do we print? You say, I want you to print something here. The sum of first number. First number. Who can correct me if I use F string? How do I go about it? What do I do?
Just before just after print.
Yes.
Yes.
What do I
F.
put? I put F.
F.
Like that. Good, good, good. So the sum of the first number is here. The sum of first number and how do we do the second number?
Curly bracket.
Yes, you put curly bracket, second number. The sum of first number and second number is, how do we put the sum? Curly bracket, sa?
Curly bracket, sum number.
Sum numbers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is how to use F string. This is how to use F string to print this, the sum numbers, first number, second number. And then you say the sum of the first number and second number is that. So save it, run your work. Then it will tell you enter the first number. If you see down here, I do 23. Then enter the second number, 12. And then it will tell me the sum of 23 and 12 is 35. Okay. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Guru, I want you to share your screen. We see what you are doing. Just share your screen. Then Grace will be next. Share.
Winding it up, I was just following you fast.
You didn't type?
Just being with you, I haven't completed typing.
Okay, no problem. Grace, can you share your screen? We see where you are.
My laptop is. I'm struggling with it.
Just share.
I think next week I'll have a new laptop.
No problem.
Refusing.
Is refusing to share? No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Emmanuel, you want to share?
I'm still working on it, but I'll share soon.
Okay, okay. So, guys, let's continue. Let's continue. Grace, are you tired?
No, it's just my laptop.
Okay. So this is how to do formatting as well as how to get the user input. You get the user input and then you print it. Okay. Review, we are still reviewing. We also want to learn about maths. We also learned about mathematical operations. Mathematical. So we just call it maths. Let's create a new file called maths underscore operations. Guys, also create a new file, maths operation.py. We want to learn some extra maths stuff. So call it maths underscore operations.py.
In Python compiler.
Yes. So I want to show you people something I showed Grace she's using, which is called Python Online IDE or Python Online Interpreter. If your computer is slow, you can use this to do the code. Online GDB dot compiler. Can you see it? Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sharing it on WhatsApp group. Online. If you go there, you'll see. So this is where you can write the same Python code. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you go there, you can delete everything. Grace, I want you that when you are doing this, you delete everything.
Okay.
The first project. And then I am already logged in. So if you are not logged in, leave.
Then uploading a new file.
You can upload. Okay, let me log out first.
Okay.
And I show you. Log out. So this is a side.
That is for like if you are working on a slow machine, right?
Yes. If you are working on a slow machine. Can you see
It is good.
Yes. I have logged out. If I just go to onlinegdb.com,
Yes.
I have logged out. So you can sign up and you sign up with your Facebook, Google Plus, GitHub. I would recommend you sign up with the GitHub. If you have you sign up with Google Plus. Google Plus is just your Gmail. Okay, Grace?
Okay.
Grace, go to sign up and then you go to Google Plus.
Sign up.
And then you go to Google Plus. It will tell you to use Google Plus. It will tell you do you want to allow this to use your Gmail? Then you say yes. And do you see, for me now, it has recognized me, welcome, Bob. afuata. Okay. Guys, can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes. So even you people, I would recommend you also try this so that if
Actually,
even and the good thing is, even if you are with someone's computer, you don't need to
yeah.
install something. You know, you have left your laptop somewhere and you are with your friend's computer. You just go to this website, you sign up with your Gmail, and
So
you log out.
sign up
Yes,
the Gmail
yes,
or Google.
with your Gmail, with your Google. G Plus is the same as Gmail.
Okay.
Is it bringing for you a pop-up so that you sign up with your Gmail?
Yes, so
Yes.
Facebook or
Or
GitHub.
Yes, so use your Gmail is just okay. 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 So once you are there, Grace, I want you to see we are having up here, there is how to create a new file, how to upload. Can you see here upload?
Oh,
File,
up there. Yes,
yes.
yes.
File, new, upload.
Yeah.
So I will upload one of the files. I click on upload and then I have it under documents, mechatronics, and then data conversion, which we just finished. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see the project which we just did right now? Okay. Sometimes I'm even tempted that I should just use it. You just use this website because I don't need to open many things, but yeah.
Bob,
Yes?
if I may ask, you brought it in a very practical context.
Yes.
Assuming you've forgotten maybe you are somewhere and you want to do a code,
Yes.
and maybe you log in now using your GitHub.
Yes.
Can it still take your stuff back when you do the Git push? Can it take back to save for you in your GitHub?
Technically, I think it should, but I have not used that feature.
Because personally,
I
I've
think
logged in using my GitHub.
It should be able to share. If you go to share, no, download. No, you cannot. They don't have a GitHub yet, but my projects, if I come to my projects, can you see this?
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So I go to microcontroller. I even did this thing a long time ago. I was working with some kijana called Gabriel. And you see, these are the things which we learned with him. So your project is not lost. So if you come to my projects, like they are stored online. You can create a new folder, you can delete. I did this in 2024 last year around Amazon. I even don't know what this Amazon was. Okay. This is some I was even interviewing for Amazon. We have tried, my friends. Yeah. So you see, the projects are here. Your projects, my projects, when you come here, you'll have all the things which you are doing. Okay. So I can come here, create a new project. Create a new project. Okay. I can create a new project and I'll name it whatever I want to name it. I can upload new like maths operation. I can upload it there. Okay. Okay. Or I can just create a new, I think the best way is to create a new file and we call it maths.py. So guys, create a new file. Grace, create a new file. I'm going to repeat. Guys, if you need this, I'm just showing Grace because she's using this, but guys, the others you don't need to. But you come here to new file and you name it there, maths. maths.py. Then you click OK. Can you see it? Maths dot?
Yeah, .py.
Yes, this other one I don't. Maths.py. Okay. And the maths.py is a Python. Are we together? It's Python code. So in language, can you see on the top right side? Language,
Yeah.
what do you select?
Python.
Yes, so there is Python 3 is the one which we are using, because you remember we installed Python 3 point something. So basically, actually,
Yes,
it's only
yes.
having. So these are the languages. And the good thing with this thing, if you are doing other languages on C++, I don't know, Java, you can always play. But for us, we are disciplined to use Python.
I think that is why it is not linked up to the other GitHub now,
Yes.
because it's taking care of all the other programming languages.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you can save name of the project. I save it, maybe Python programming. Name of you save like that. So if I go to my projects, there is something called Python programming, and I have maths.py, main.py, maths.py. Okay. Then
You need to input also the shebang there.
yes, you are coding Python as kawaida. So /user/ bin. Actually, you see it's even telling you /bin/ env, and then Python. Okay. I will stay here a little bit for the sake of grace. Others, you can just type where we are. Okay.
Yeah.
So I want us to do some maths operations. We want to learn about maths. And to learn about maths, you are going to use the maths library. So you type import. Grace, I want you to do this. Import math. Import math, not import maths, but import math. And then how do we, so we say angle. We have an angle, not angel, angle. We have an angle like 45 degrees. We say import math, and then we have an angle which is 45 degrees. And then we want to print the cosine. Okay, the cosine. Cosine, you know the trigonometric ratios or trigonometry. You say print math dot cos of the angle. Math dot cos of the angle will print for you the cosine of the angle. Okay, then you run it by clicking here. So you should save it. Our time is running out. Actually, you should do it inside the main.py. There is a reason why. You should do it in the main.py. Can you see? You should do it in the main.py. We will learn why when we are learning something called modules. So you do it inside. It will give you a file called main.py, and then you do it here. And then you just click run. Grace, are we together?
Yeah.
Yes. So can you type that pali pali? Others also, you had done this, but you can repeat. You know, you copy. So Grace, after sine, which other trigonometry do you know? Sine,
It's tan.
Then there is tan, the tangent. Yes, so the cosine, sine, and the tangent, and then you run it. It prints them here. So Grace, from your maths, what is the tangent of 45?
Eh?
What is the tangent of 45?
Yes,
If
sababu
you have a-
nilifanya
Of-
kitambo.
Eh?
Should be tan of 45 is 1.
Yes, the tan of 45 is 1. Sorry, the tan of 45 is 1. Okay, but why am I getting 1.6? Is it lying to me?
It could be not in radians.
Yes, true. So here we are having the angle, but it is in the angle in radian or the angle in degree. So there is the issue of angle in radian. So the angle here. So if we have this, if you click math, if you do we are going to learn how to use, okay, we say angle in radian. So angle in radian is angle. You say radian. You say math.rad. Math.ra. Math.radian. Let's review. I don't know whether I have it here. Python radian to degree. Radian to degree. So when you want to convert it into degrees, if you have math.degrees, we'll convert it into what? Math.degree into degrees.
Into degrees.
Okay. And then subsequently, or by just guessing, math.radians will convert it into
Radians.
Okay. So this angle, okay, should be inside this other side. Yeah, other many sides here. Okay, so here, if we do math dot radians, will convert 45 into what?
Into radians.
Radians. Okay, and then when we run, the answer becomes 1. Can you see 0.99999 is 1? Eh? Yes. So that is the way to convert the angle. So when you get this cosine, the value it will give you, is in radians. Okay? When you say math.cos, the value it works on, or this angle here, should be in radians. Are we together?
Yeah.
Are we together?
By default, it's like in radians already.
Yes. So by default, math.cos, or the angle which you are supposed to give it, yani the angle which it is working on, which inside here, you should provide it with angles in what? In radians.
In radians.
Are we together? You should give it, you should say math.cos, the angle here should be in radians. The sine, the angle there should be in radians, not degrees. Sawa.
Okay.
Yes, so that is why you convert. First of all, you say the angle here is math.radians. So this one, math.radians, converts the angle from degree to radians. Can you see that? Can you see?
Yeah.
And then now the angle which you have converted to radians is what you plug in there. Okay, and then you run it. So Grace, can you show us what you've done?
I'm
3
still
minutes.
doing.
Okay, 3 minutes remaining. Who wants to show us?
8.
Have you shared already?
Yeah, you can share. Yeah.
You're sharing, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're sharing?
I was hoping you were sharing.
Oh. Okay.
Are you still there?
Yes.
When I run, it's able to give me
This.
Mm-hmm. When it runs, it gives you that. So the angle there, you should change it to. Can you change it to radians?
Radian.
So you say math dot
Radian.
radians. Actually, it is telling you there radians. Then into bracket. Close the bracket. And give space. You see angle, give some space, math, to make it just look neat. Everyone? Yeah, like that. Good. Okay, save and run. Mm.
It's now here.
Mm. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm sharing mine.
Yeah. We are remaining with 1 minute. Pali. 1 minute.
I shared already.
Can we share when the class begins? 1 minute is finished, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Actually, we've seen it. But Grace, prepare so that you share in the next 10 minutes. 10 minutes break.
I'm still typing.
Yes. 10 minutes break up to 11:42. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you then.
See you.
Okay.